We're going to do a phonemic awareness warm-up. You're going to listen and clap syllables. So I'll say a word and clap its syllables. Listen. Faster. Faster has two syllables, fast and Listen as I say fastest. Fastest. Fastest has two syllables too. Now let's do some others. I'll say a word, clap the syllables with me, and then tell out loud how many syllables you heard. Listen. Harder. Harder. Say how many syllables? 2. How about hardest? Hardest. Right, 2 syllables. Now you listen and clap. Tell me how many sounds you hear. Busier. Busier. I hear 3. Jumpy. Jumpy. 2. Good job. Sillier. Sillier. 3. How about silliest? Silliest. Good job. On the screen, you have a card for happy. Can you guys say happy? Now the base word happy can have the letters ER added to show that we're comparing two things. Like, listen, happier. Now you say it. Happier. The word happy can also have the letters EST added to show that we're comparing more than two things. Listen, happiest. Now you say it. Good job. On your screen, the word says happy. Remember, we said that happier ends with the letters ER, and they are added to happy to make the word happier when we're comparing two things. So the second word is also the word happy. The word happy ends with Y. To write the word happier, I need to change the Y to an I, and then I can add the letters ER to make the word happier. Read the word with me. Happier. Good job. The third word is also the word happy. And to write the word happiest, I need to change the Y to an I, and then I can add the letters EST to make the word happiest. Read the word with me. Happiest. Good job. So we have the word happy, happier, and happiest on our screen. In just a second, I'm going to send you to your reader's notebook to practice adding ER and EST when you need to change the Y at the end of a word to an I. But first, let's look at your decodable readers for today. Today you will have 2 decodable readers to read. The first one is called The 3 Races. In this story, you'll have many words that end with ER or EST, just like in our lesson where we had the word happy that we changed. Remember to preview pages 35 through 42 and predict what you think this story is about before you begin to read. I'd like you to read this story through 2 times, once to yourself and then another time either out loud or read with your learning adult at home. The next story, the other story that you need to read today is called Seed Sisters. This is also a story that's going to have many words that end with ER or EST. This story begins on page 43 and ends on page 50. Make sure to preview the story and predict what you think this story is about before you read. Again, I'd like you to read this story through 2 times, and the first time read it to yourself, the second time either out loud or to your learning adult. Now let's check out the readers notebook pages where we can practice adding ER and EST when we need to change the Y to I. The first page in your reader's notebook where you will practice your phonics, where you are adding ER and EST with words that end in Y, is page 167. Here you're going to read the words and circle the word that doesn't belong. So you're looking for fancy, fancier, and fanciest. So for each word, you're looking for the ER and the EST. You're going to circle the word, though, that doesn't belong. Page 169 is just an extra practice if you feel like you're not really sure about how to change Y to I and add the ER and EST. This is just extra practice if your child needs it, or if you feel like if it's really easy and you want to do it because you have time, go for it.